Hey guys, we're here with another ghost video. It's almost the morning.
Like, it's so creepy. Like, just look at the dang sky, bros. Like, boy.
Like, what time is it right now? Like,
Alright, it's, I think it's, yo, bro, it's 7:41. It shouldn't be almost morning. 3 hours. I don't know, but it's 7.
oh dude, you know that Charlie thing?
Yeah.
And where the handprint was?
What the freak is this, bro?
What the crap?
What the freak, yo? Yo. Betty, I love you. Letty. Yo.
What?
Dude.
What?
Letty.
What is it? What is it?
There's notes everywhere.
What the?
There's a note right here.
Guys, we are discovering some creepy stuff. Okay, listen. We did not put these there. We are not the ones responsible for any of these.
This letter means letter. Because Daniel, you know Daniel the ghost?
Yeah.
Remember? He makes letters. He makes letters.
Freak. Dude. Okay, guys, we are not the ones that left. Wait, what does it say though?
Here, just show me.
Okay.
Look, it says.
Wait. Yeah.
It says,
Betty,
I love you from Letty. I'm gonna rip it though.
rip it. Okay, let's go, dude.
Come on.
Dude, should we go and see if that handprint's still there?
And last video.
Yeah. Yeah, from yesterday.
Yo, another.
What the?
Nothing.
It's like a treasure hunt for her. What?
This is freaking crazy, fam.
Okay, guys, this is not a joke. Okay, we are serious, okay?
No.
What? What?
Look at that. Come here.
What was it?
Look at that. Fam. Hold on, look. I got an idea, fam.
Oh,
It'll be more better.
what does that say?
Fam. Huh.
Here, dude.
It doesn't say nothing, but there's a handprint right there, man.
They're right there.
Yo.
Here.
Just crazy, fam.
What?
What are you doing?
Getting rid of this stuff.
Just don't. It doesn't matter. Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys.
Bam, bam, bam,
What?
bam.
What?
Look at this light. See how it's bright? Good.
Yeah.
Look at that light. Why is it like that?
All the others are fine.
Except, well, let's see.
Oh,
Bro,
the others down.
this is like blood, or like blood in the light.
Dude, the others are fine. Except for this one.
Look at all down there. Look, zoom down there.
Okay, here.
Zoom it. You see, all those are fine.
Yeah, except for this one. See down there? All of them are fine. Except for this one.
You hear that? It was like you.
Okay, dude. Dude.
Yo.
Dude.
Yo, what the freak?
Wait, what did it say? Dude. What did it say?
He said like I'm coming or something like that. What is going on?
Red light. What the crap?
It's killing time. Yo. Dude, what is this?
We're not messing around, guys. No, we have to go back to that light.
Let's go.
Here, dude. Dude, feel my heart. Dude, feel my heart.
Dude, what's under that truck?
What the freak? Hold on, guys. Wait.
If you guys can see that, what the freak is that? Fam, what is that? Fam, what is that? What's snake right there, fam?
Dude. Hello. Dude, I ain't leaving. Dude, no, I'm going back to our light. Dude, no. This might be actual proof of ghosts ever recorded. Dude, they might actually be able to make everyone like
Right there.
good. Yeah. The chairs are still down.
What the freak?
One we did. Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Hello.
Wait. Okay, dude. If anyone's here, please make a sound. Eee. What the crap? If anyone's Guys. What is it? What?
Let me see the camera. Who?
The freak?
What is this?
What's up, guys?
You want to say hi to the viewers?
Get me on YouTube.
What is that?
Look. Little child.
He's looking at us. He's looking at us. Let's go back into your house, yo.
Dude, point the camera at me. Dude, I can't describe it right now. I can describe one thing that had black eyes.
Dude, we gotta go inside. Like, I gotta take a dump. Seriously, dude.
You seriously? Wait, dude, what about this paper?
Yo, you wanna just come inside and wait?
Dude, you want to go inside and play Call of Duty World War II?
Alright, then.
Let's go, dude. Yep. Yeah. Oh, Mom. I love you. Nah. Oh crap, guys, I forgot. Subscribe to me. Like this video and press the description down below and hit that notification bell. See y'all. See you all next time.